Students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my English channel. This is teacher Ismail. Is this grade 3? Grade 3. Today, we're gonna be reviewing Unit 2. And remember, in Unit 2, we talked about seasons. We talked about the weather. So we're gonna be summing it up. We want us to remember everything about the weather, the seasons, and the different countries around the world. So what you do is to get ready and come to the classroom. Alright? In the slides, let's review the weather vocabulary words. Weather vocabulary words. Let's start with hot. It's hot. Snowy. It's snowy. Rainy. It's rainy. Cloudy. It's cloudy. Sunny. It's sunny. Cold. It's cold. Windy. It's windy. In our conversation, let's look at the teacher and the student. The student's name is Irene. So the teacher is going to say, what's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? And the student is going to look at the weather. And she's going to say, it's sunny. The weather is sunny. Do you understand that? So let's look at the weather and the countries. We're going to relate the weather with the countries around the world. Let's start with countries and weather. The first country is Thailand. In Thailand, it's hot. In China, it's sunny. In Spain, it's windy. In Japan, it's cold. Do you understand that? In Thailand, it's hot. In China, it's sunny. In Spain, it's windy. And in Japan, it's cold. Now, let's look at the conversation. We have student A and student B. Student A is going to say, what's the weather like in Thailand today? What's the weather like in Thailand today? Let's look. And the student B is gonna say, it's hot. What's the weather like in China today? It's sunny. What's the weather like in Spain today? It's windy. Do you understand that? Now let's review the months in a year. The months in a year. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. One more time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So we're going to relate the weather, countries, and months. The weather, countries, and months. Alright? So let's start with the weather. It's hot in Thailand in the month of April. It's hot in Thailand in April. And it's warm in Spain in the month of July. It's warm in Spain in July. Then it's hot in India in the month of March. Do you understand? It's hot in India in March. So the conversation, we're gonna have student A and student B. Student A is gonna say, what's the weather like in Spain in July? What's the weather like in Spain in July? And the student is gonna say, it's warm. It's warm. Alright, then next, can you ask your friend, what's the weather like in Thailand in April? In this slide, let's look at the seasons. Do you know the seasons in a year? Yes, let's start with the first season. Is gonna be spring. It's spring. Then we have summer. It's summer. Then we have autumn. It's autumn. And we have winter. It's winter. So, when is spring season? Let's look at spring. When is spring? Spring season is in March, April, and May. The spring season is in March, April, and May. And when is summer? The summer season is always in June, July, and August. Everybody say June, July, and August. When is autumn? The autumn months are September, October, and November. September, October, and November. And when is winter? The winter seasons are December, January, and February. December, January, and February. Do you understand? So let's look at the conversation. We're gonna have student A and student B. Student A is gonna say, when is winter season? When is winter season? Can you look? When is winter? Can you see the months? And the student B is gonna say, it's in December, January, and February. Do you understand? Yes, teacher.
I'ma live